Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Asus Zenbook Duo, a laptop that's making waves with its innovative dual-screen design. The Asus Zenbook Duo is a dual-screen laptop that redefines productivity with its two stunning 14-inch OLED displays. It's not just about having two screens, it's about how Asus has integrated them to enhance multitasking capabilities. Let's start with the displays. Both screens feature 3K OLED panels with a 16:10 aspect ratio and a blazing fast 120Hz refresh rate. This means you get vibrant colors, deep blacks, and smooth interactions whether you're browsing, editing photos, or watching videos. Design-wise, the Zenbook Duo impresses with its sleek aluminum chassis and a robust hinge that adds to its durability. Despite housing two screens, Asus has managed to keep the laptop relatively compact, although it's slightly thicker than some competitors. Under the hood, it's powered by Intel's latest Core Ultra processors and Intel Arc graphics, ensuring snappy performance for demanding tasks like video editing or running multiple applications simultaneously. What sets the Zenbook Duo apart is its multitasking prowess. The second screen isn't just for show, it significantly expands your workspace. Whether you're comparing documents side by side, using Photoshop with tools on one screen and the canvas on the other, or simply enjoying Netflix while replying to emails, the possibilities are extensive. Asus hasn't compromised on usability. The keyboard and touchpad are top-notch, providing a comfortable typing experience even for extended periods. The inclusion of a detachable keyboard deck adds flexibility, allowing you to use the second screen more effectively. However, it's not without its flaws. The speakers lack bass, and the laptop tends to heat up under heavy load, which could affect prolonged usage comfort. Additionally, the webcam quality leaves much to be desired. To sum up, the Asus Zenbook Duo is a game-changer in the world of dual-screen laptops. It combines sleek design, powerful performance, and innovative dual-screen technology to deliver an unparalleled multitasking experience. If you're someone who thrives on productivity and creativity, this laptop is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.